A more complete path to strength after 60. You've always heard that walking is the key to maintaining strength past the age of 60. However, here is an often unspoken truth. Walking alone falls short. New studies from the National Institute on Aging indicate that while walking keeps joints flexible, it does little to rebuild the muscle fibers that naturally deteriorate over time. Without this muscle support, every step becomes slower, heavier, and less stable. After 60, men typically lose nearly 1% of muscle each year, particularly in the hips and thighs. This is why walking begins to feel like a chore rather than true freedom. Walking helps you stay mobile, but it cannot restore your lost strength, balance, and confidence. The things age subtly takes away. Let's change this today. This video will show you 3 easy exercises that achieve what walking cannot: rebuilding power in your legs, safeguarding your balance, and restoring your sense of stability. You don't need a gym or machines, just your body and 1 dedicated minute each day. Exercise 1. The wall sit, raw power. The first exercise is the wall sit, which is simple yet incredibly effective. Consider it a total restart for your leg strength. When you slide down a wall and maintain a seated position, your quadriceps, glutes, and core muscles all work together to support your entire body weight, an effect walking can never achieve. This deep, sustained muscle activation signals your muscles and bones that it's time to regenerate. Why this matters? Research shows that weak thigh muscles are a primary reason older adults struggle with tasks like standing up, climbing stairs, or maintaining balance. Walking doesn't keep your legs under tension for long enough to strengthen them, but a simple wall sit does. How to perform it? Stand with your back pressed flat against a wall, positioning your feet about 2 feet out and shoulder width apart. Slowly lower yourself until your knees form a 90-degree angle, as if sitting in an imaginary chair. Keep your core tight and your lower back gently pressed into the wall. Hold this position for 20 to 40 seconds, maintaining steady breathing. Then, push through your heels to return to a standing position. Modifications. If you're a beginner, don't go too low. Start with slightly bent knees and gradually increase your hold time week by week. For a mild challenge, you can lift your toes off the floor or add small pulses at the bottom. Avoid pushing your knees beyond your toes or letting your lower back arch. The goal is controlled engagement, not pain. In just a few weeks, you'll find standing from a chair easier, your legs feeling steadier, and your confidence growing with every held rep. 1 focused minute here can build more strength than hours of easy walking. Exercise 2. The calf raise, circulation and stability. If the wall sit builds foundational power, the calf raise revitalizes the engine that circulates energy and blood. Your calves. Every time you lift your heels, these muscles function as a second heart, pumping blood back up from your legs to the rest of your body. Unfortunately, this pump weakens as we age, especially after 60. Prolonged sitting or standing still hinders circulation, resulting in heavy, swollen, and fatigued legs. This is why the calf raise is so transformative. In under a minute a day, it reactivates your lower leg muscles, strengthens your ankles, and improves your balance simultaneously. How to do it correctly? Stand tall, holding onto a chair or wall for support. Place your feet shoulder width apart. Slowly lift your heels as high as possible, pressing through the balls of your feet. Pause for 1 second at the top. That squeeze is your second heart engaging. Then, slowly lower your heels back down until they nearly touch the floor. Repeat 12 to 15 times for 2 to 3 sets. Breathe steadily, avoiding bouncing or locking your knees. Slow, controlled movement yields the best results. Challenge. For a greater challenge, try lifting on 1 leg at a time or hold the top position for 3 seconds during each repetition. Within a few weeks, you might notice your steps feel lighter and steadier, and your legs won't feel so weighed down at the day's end. Strong calves do more than help you walk. They protect your veins, boost heart health, and give your legs the stamina needed to move confidently wherever you go. Exercise 3. The standing march, real-life balance. The third exercise is the standing march. Simple to watch, but incredibly impactful once you feel it. This movement retrains your body for practical balance, the kind you need when stepping off a curb, turning quickly, or recovering from a trip. Each knee lift requires your hips, thighs, and core to stabilize you collaboratively. That single leg balance is what most people lose with age, and it's what walking cannot remedy. How to do it properly? Stand tall behind a chair or next to a wall for safety. Keep your chest open, shoulders relaxed, and back straight. Slowly lift 1 knee up toward hip level. Hold for a full second, feeling your standing leg work to keep you steady. Then, lower it down with control and lift the other knee. March in place with a slow, deliberate pace, no rushing. Keep it smooth, steady, and focused. Continue for 30 to 60 seconds, breathing naturally. Progressing. As you improve, try briefly releasing the support. Lift your knees slightly higher or add a small ankle weight for extra difficulty. Avoid rocking your upper body or moving too quickly. The goal is control, not speed. This slow precision teaches your brain to communicate faster with your legs, improving your reaction time when you're thrown off balance. According to the Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy, coordination exercises like this can reduce the risk of falls by over 40% in older adults. It literally trains your body to save itself before a fall occurs. Do this daily and you will notice your stride is lighter, more stable and more confident, indicating your body is regaining youthful agility, one measured march at a time. Bonus tip: heel-to-toe walk, sharper coordination. Before finishing, here is a quick bonus exercise you can add. The heel-to-toe walk. It is a simple movement that trains coordination and balance in a unique way. Here's how. Stand up straight, placing one foot directly in front of the other so your heel touches the toes of the opposite foot. Then, take slow, deliberate steps forward, heel to toe, for about 10 steps. Look straight ahead, keep your core engaged, and move smoothly. If needed, lightly touch a wall or countertop for support. This exercise strengthens the small stabilizing muscles in your feet and ankles, improves posture, and teaches your body how to maintain stability with every step. Just 1 minute daily can make your walk smoother and your balance sharper. The perfect complement to your leg strength routine. Completing the picture. Now you know what walking cannot achieve and how these 3 movements fill the gaps. Walking is wonderful for your heart and mind, but it fails to rebuild the deep strength that keeps your steps steady and your legs powerful. This is precisely where these exercises step in. They address the missing components that walking leaves behind, restoring muscle fibers, improving balance, and reinforcing the reflexes that prevent falls. Here is how you can incorporate them seamlessly into your day. Morning. Start with wall sits to activate your core and thigh muscles. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. This preparation primes your legs for the day ahead. Midday. While waiting for your coffee or standing at the counter, do calf raises. Perform 12 to 15 gentle lifts to maintain active circulation and energized legs. Before bed, finish with standing marches for 30 to 60 seconds. This resets your body's balance system so that you feel steadier tomorrow than you did today. Together, these 3 short sessions cover what walking misses. They complete your body's strength system from the ground up. Commit to them, and you will notice your knees feeling lighter, your stride smoother, and your confidence quietly returning each day. The best outcome is when you combine these movements with your regular walks. You then get the full benefits of scientifically supported movement, powerful legs, a strong heart, and lasting independence after 60. So, if you found this helpful, tap the like button and share it with someone who still thinks walking is enough. And remember to subscribe. Every week, we share simple, proven ways to remain mobile, strong, and confident at any age. Because getting older doesn't mean slowing down. It means moving smarter. If you are new, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and share this video.